In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a mailing list in the Squarespace email campaigns series. Whether you're a small business owner or a creative professional, growing your mailing list is an essential step to expanding your reach and connecting with your audience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid mailing list set up in just a few simple steps, ready to enhance your marketing strategy. First of all, you need to begin by accessing your Squarespace account. Head over to the login page and click the login button. You will be prompted to continue with your preferred method. For ease and convenience, I'll guide you through by clicking on Continue with Google. This is a secure and quick way to access your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, find your website among the ones linked to your account and click on it. Now you'll see the main dashboard for your specific website, but what we're interested in today is building that all-important mailing list. So head over to the contacts section. This section is your entry point to managing all your communication with your audience through Squarespace. Within contacts, navigate to lists and segments. This area is where you can organize your audience into neat, manageable groups or lists, which is perfect for targeted email campaigns. It's time to create your mailing list. Look for the Create Mailing List button and give it a click. Now this is where you can get creative. You'll need to type in a name for your new mailing list. The name you choose will help you identify this list in the future, so pick something that's descriptive of its intended purpose or audience. Once you've named your list, click Save. You've taken a big leap forward, your mailing list has been created. But what good is a list without subscribers? The next step involves adding subscribers, so click on Add Subscribers. Here you have a couple of options depending on your current subscriber data. You can either upload an existing list or add subscribers individually. If you have a large list already prepared, perhaps from another service, uploading it will save you lots of time. Ensure that your list is in the correct format, like a CSV file, which Squarespace can easily recognize. On the other hand, if you're just starting out or wish to add subscribers one by one, choose the Add Individually option. This is perfect for when you have a smaller number of contacts to manage, or if you're gathering subscribers organically through other means. And there you have it. With this newly created mailing list, you're now ready to start reaching out to your audience effectively and efficiently with email campaigns. Remember, building and maintaining a mailing list is an ongoing process, but starting today will pay dividends in your marketing efforts. Keep experimenting with ways to grow your subscriber base and tailor your messages to their needs. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your email campaigns.